Let me show you what you can do with this Dollar Tree roll-on deodorant, which is perfect for traveling. So first grab a handful of these roll-on deodorants. It doesn't matter what kind they are. And then what you're gonna need to do is pop off this little ball. So take a sharp or pointy knife, be very careful, go in between the ball and the plastic, and then you're just gonna kind of pop it out. You might have to do it around a couple different edges. Then make sure you rinse it out really well, and I would use soap because it might have a smell left over from the deodorant. I'm also gonna peel the label off. Then grab what you want to fill it with. I'm going to be using my sunscreen. You can also use things like shampoo, conditioner, or face cream. Then you're going to give it a couple taps and you're going to get it just to where those lines are. Then grab your ball and you're just going to pop it back in. This is a mineral sunscreen, which is not as thick, so it will come out a lot faster. I did get another one for my face cream, which is a lot thicker. As you can see here, it doesn't come out as fast as the sunscreen because it is thicker, but it rolls on really nicely.